So what is gamification in learning, and how does that work? So let me start by saying that gamification and games are actually two different things. So gamification is about principles, and how do you take those principles of gamification and apply that to make learning a habit and addictive, just like a game? So there are 5 principles I'll talk about. One is actually the idea of achievement and progress. That's a very important concept in the learning experience to help you to feel that you've achieved another level. The second one is the idea of competition, to be able to compete and see how your other players are doing, whether it's your team or your colleagues, to show what ranking you are relative to them. The third idea is actually the element of surprise. And the element of surprise is actually the idea of Pokemon. You don't know when Pokemon is going to pop out and you have to capture him, right? So the idea of applying that in learning can be in something as simple as an in-app reward that you don't know when it's going to come up, which is a little bit of a message that actually surprises you that you were not expecting. Very, very powerful to create engagement. The fourth idea is then the idea of rewards. So what are rewards? Rewards can be very tangible things, especially if you're using in the mobile experience. It could be something that pops up like a reward in terms of vouchers or freebies. They can also come in terms of emails so that you're actually receiving something tangible that you can apply on the job. And then the last one is recognition, the idea that you are the top 5 in your group or the top 10, or getting some kind of a public recognition among your peers or colleagues that you've achieved something. So these are just 5 principles of gamification when applied to learning, which can ultimately drive higher engagement, enjoyment, and ultimately deepen the learner experience.